I made a beat a day for 1 year, and this is what happened. For those of you who are a bit more analytical, you'll see on my beat store that I don't have 365 beats. That's only because I removed some and ended up uploading them to Spotify, and some of them I just decided that I didn't like. Not only did I make a beat a day for a year, but I also put a reel to it. Reels, shorts, literally I pushed every single thing for 1 full year that I absolutely could. I have over 600 videos on this channel. So how long did it take me to sell my first beat? I sold my first beat within a year. It was just a basic license, but I was really, really excited about it. I'm pretty sure that my first sale took place about 3 months after I started to upload onto BeatStars. A big problem with the way that I did it was I couldn't think of what kind of type beat. I was trying to do type beats, and I didn't know what rapper went to which beat, and some of them are so, to this day, miscategorized. Like, I'll be like Jelly Roll beat, and it just sounds like something that Travis Scott would be on. I need to go in and fix that. I highly recommend that you really spend more time figuring out who the type beat is for. I also uploaded to Airbit. In fact, I got on Airbit before I got onto BeatStars. I got no sales on Airbit. I really wasn't getting any traffic over there, so I ended up just cutting that account after about 3 months. So it took me about 6 months to go from like 40 subscribers on YouTube up to 400 and something. I think I'm still in the 450 range. The only reason that happened was I started to use YouTube Shorts, and I would put my beats to a short, then a reel, then a TikTok, and I got myself on all of the platforms. I still don't do well on TikTok, even though I was uploading there daily as well. I was uploading daily to Instagram. I got some good traction. And on Twitter, I got the best traction. I got like 2,000 followers on Twitter. I made a few beat sales over there, but Twitter took a shit. I'm sorry, X took a shit. If you look at my channel now, if you look at my beat store now, if you look at my beat sales, I sell about a beat a week, which is great. That's fine for me. Wish it was more, but it took about the full year to start to get to the beat a week sale. And even then, it's usually a basic license. I sell very few exclusives, which brings me to exclusives. Should you offer them? If you have a really great beat that's getting leased all the time, probably wouldn't make that one an exclusive, just because once you sell that exclusive, that beat's done. But if you have a beat that hasn't moved in forever, just sell it as an exclusive if somebody wants it. I charge like $500 for my exclusives. Maybe that's asking a bit much, but I always am open for negotiations. As far as traction on social media and traction on YouTube, traction everywhere, you can see where I'm about at now. For somebody just starting out right this second, it may look like I'm far along, but I would like to be a lot further. But at the same time, I'm so grateful for everything that I've been able to do so far, which brings me to the most important thing. Throughout 2020 and 2021, that's when I did this 1 year experiment. I learned so many tricks to make better beats. Not only make better beats, but make better beats faster. Another huge thing is, even though I was stiff on camera up until relatively recently, I learned how to record myself. I learned the right angles. I learned a lot, and it's still not perfect, but I'm happy with it. I'm happy with it when it comes to where I am right now. Most of all, I learned that this is what I want to do, and this is all I want to do. So after a year, if you do anything for 1 year, you may go crazy. That's what happened to me. I gave up because I was like, this is not growing the way that I wanted it to. But if you do anything for a year and it's not growing the way that you want it to, even if you quit, if this is truly your passion, you'll always be back. It's hard to explain, but I can't stay away from this.